Hello everyone, this is the video again. I really don't like using, I just have to do this, just for a reason. Let me show you something real quick. I am here, that's where I'm at. I got this storm over here. This storm has been sitting over Staten Island for quite some time, and it's getting stronger. It's getting pretty strong. This storm, let me see the storm report. Wait a minute, look at this. See how this storm this particular cell just blew up out of nowhere. Right now, if you look outside, I'll show you real quick. I'm getting some rain on this. I'm about to go outside and get some more footage from this storm cell. But yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on this. This is supposed to have, see the storm report, we got very heavy rain, hail likely, maybe severe, up to marble size hail is possible, moving east at 9 miles per hour. The National Weather Service, they don't have us under any severe thunderstorm warning at this time. I can't be two places at once, so if we get under a warning, I won't know. But I'm going to go out and see how bad this is going to get. Looks pretty strong to me. Other than that, this is not going to be the last. I don't think this is going to be the last storm we're going to get, because this is a strong one right here. But you see, what's going on is that the atmosphere is pretty unstable, and all of this instability is just lighting up these thunderstorms one after another. They're popping up all over the place. Let me go to NOAA real quick and show you that they have the East Coast on the slight risk, but the storms done lit up so bad that, but tornadoes, see right here, tornadoes, they have us under 2%. They did not have that before. So this looks like this is about to get interesting. I mean, for when we have the most main wind threat is, well, south of New York, and for the hail threat, everyone run the 15% chance for that. But yeah, this looks pretty interesting. 2% is something better than nothing, but I'll see what's going to happen. Wait a minute. Alright, just got an update. Just came in now. Let me zoom into this cell, because this is the one that I was talking about that's just been sitting over Staten Island for the longest. Look how, alright, that's strong. That's a pretty strong one. You can see right down here in, I'm just ranting on and on, but this is exciting. You can see right down here in Jersey, they have this cell. This one is possible with quarter-size hail. This one over here, come on, hurry up, refresh. This one is possible with penny-size hail. I'm about to go out in this, people. But yeah, this is impressive. About time get some crazy storms over here, but yeah. I don't know if this is, it did move to the south though, because it was over here, and then it's moving downwards. So what we're mostly going to get the heavy rain from this. So yeah. Alright, I'll give y'all another, I can't give y'all another update. Next should be the video of me filming the storm. That's it. Welcome back, everyone. This is the Venemy. Let me show you. We're getting some heavy rain right now. I'm about to go out in this. Alright. We got downpour. We got rain is pouring. Just trying to film flooding. I'm going on a shelter. I like it. Visibility that's a lot. Yeah, this is a downpour, people. A lot of heavy rain. I don't quite know how long this is going to last. Well, I'm under the shelter, so I don't think lightning is going to strike me in here. I hope it don't. I got two shelters. One over here, another one's over here. You know what's funny? People probably look at me with this camera and say, what is this guy doing? I'm filming a thunderstorm. That's what I'm filming. I like filming weather. Alright. I'm gonna take a walk up real quick. One thing about this thunderstorm, it's sure they'd have a lot of heavy rain with it, but it is pouring out there right now. Oh my gosh, I gotta fix my umbrella. Wait a minute. Alright, let's walk up. I want to show you some more footage. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got one thing to tell you. It's getting pretty dark. You better not be honking your horn at me. Definitely got cooler outside. We're getting some winds coming in. Let me see what I'm trying to say. I should have just stayed at in my window and filmed all of this. Divinity's back again. I gotta check this out. Got one over here. We're getting rain and we're getting wind. Wow, now that's a lot of water. Yeah, the Divinity's in action. Bringing on Supercell Thunderstorm. Give us rain. Give us rain. Check out those clouds. Hold up, people. Y'all are not seeing us still. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ocean Avenue in Parkside. It is pouring rain out here like crazy right now. I don't know what type of thunderstorm this was over in Staten Island, but it's over here now. This is a big one. This is big. Awesome lighting. I would try to film it, but I can't because it's just too bright outside. Well, why I smell smoke? Y'all gotta see this for yourself. The National Weather Service have us under a 2% chance of a tornado. I mean, they just issued it like a little while ago. But I know why. Oh boy, this is not a good time for my camera to be dying. Please don't die on me. This is such of a beautiful thunderstorm, man. I love this type of weather. I know NOAA must have issued us under a severe thunderstorm warning by now. They had to. I don't think it's over either. I tell you one thing. With the rain plus the wind coming in, this storm probably had some weak rotation in it. Just saying. Look at these skies. I think the storm is clearing up by now. But boy, this was a beautiful thunderstorm. Beautiful one. Wait a minute. What's this we have over here? My goodness, man. Whatever type of thunderstorm this was, it's all the way up over here. Because, boy, these skies are pitch black. I'm just glad we didn't get any hail. Alright, I think this storm is over. It got to be over by now. The rain done let up. We got some fast moving clouds over in this region. And I gotta charge my camera. I will be back, everyone. I'll keep this film rolling until I get back to home base. This is what you call a T4. Wait a minute. I just have the strangest feeling that this storm has some rotation in it. I don't know why. I'll have to see when I get back. Not even the best pair of boots can get past all this water. Look, here come the wind again, people. Wind and rain. Whoa! Keep the camera rolling. I walked out into. It is like a hurricane over here, people. Wait. We're getting wind. Do we have a possible tornado with this storm? Good. I would just plow my umbrella right through all of this. I gotta clean my camera. Hold up. So this camera is soaking wet. Oh man. Alright. Let's plow the umbrella through. Oh my gosh. Boy. What a beautiful thunderstorm. We probably done picked up more than 4 inches of rain by now. Boy, it's so wet out here, man. I don't know how long this video is, but I'm gonna keep rolling. Well, this rain is coming down. Oh boy, I am so I was walking down here because we had some strong winds. I think this is the direction. I'm not sure. You know what's funny? Those people up on that construction site are getting soaked because the rain is just pouring down on them like crazy. Ah, man. Most likely, Brooklyn, New York is under a flash flood warning. Wait, what type of storm? Have you ever seen this much precipitation? And my camera keep getting wet. I'm so sorry, people. I gotta take shelter. 1 second. Just got back home. This thing's still not letting up. It is still pouring out here like crazy. Another cell, possibly back building in itself. I'm just letting the film roll for a minute. I have to charge this camera up.